Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be reviewing the e.l.f. Blemish Breakthrough Basics Kit. So I am very excited to tell you all about these products. I found them on Ulta and I have absolutely fallen in love with every single one of them. I was able to use these products for about 3 weeks consistently, and I really wanted to use these as long as possible so I could truly give you a review that reflects some long-term benefits of these products. These products are very impressive and they do come in this kit together that allows you to try all of the products before purchasing full sizes of the products, which I really enjoy. I think that more skincare should be like that, especially since all of these products were meant to be used together. I feel like that making a kit like this is a really good way to market and advertise your products so that people can just try them for themselves and make their own opinion before buying the full sizes. I'm going to talk about each of the specific products here in just a minute. I just wanted to start out by saying e.l.f. didn't miss with anything with these products in my opinion. I'm going to go ahead and start by talking about the cleanser. The full size cleanser retails for $9, which, wow, that is so impressive. This cleanser, what I really liked about it is that a lot of times salicylic acid cleansers are not good for my combination skin. I've tried so many cleansers with a lot of actives in it like this product, and it has caused me to have a lot of sensitivity, especially in my dry areas. This product was not the case whatsoever. It did have a little bit of a nice foam to it, but it was a very gentle cleanser. I didn't experience any dryness in my dry areas such as my chin. This has so many amazing ingredients in it, similar to all the products in this line. For the amount of actives that are in this product, it really didn't cause any sensitivity whatsoever. From the first time of using it to now, it really doesn't cause any sensitivity. I'm able to use it both day and night, and I have seen a significant difference in my acne since I started using this. I am not saying that I recommend this for dry skin because it is still a foaming cleanser and it could cause some dryness to someone with extremely dry skin, but honestly, I feel like I've tried a lot of cleansers that are more drying than this that didn't have salicylic acid in it and also all the amazing ingredients in it. I feel like I've had more sensitivity from other cleansers than this. So I really feel like this is a well-designed cleanser. I really feel like that it was very effective, but also very gentle. And for that reason, I could see me repurchasing the big version of this, especially since it's just $9. This is one of the best experiences I've had with a salicylic acid cleanser, and it's $9. I'm like, this is really just great skincare. The cleanser, I would so recommend. Like, this is amazing if you have acne. Be a little bit more careful if you do have dry skin. I can't really testify with that. I just have combination skin and it was perfect for me. So I would recommend trying out this cleanser. The next product is their serum. So this serum is a triple acid resurfacing serum. If I'm being honest, I really didn't see anything that special with this serum, but not to say that this is a bad product. I just don't feel like it was anything terribly special in my opinion. It wasn't a serum that caused any sensitivity. It wasn't a serum that really caused anything that special with my skin. To be honest, the cleanser and the moisturizer kind of outshined this product in my opinion. It did have some great ingredients in it and it did not cause any sensitivity whatsoever. It also was just a great serum to use all over my face. So say I had some acne in my drier areas, I was actually able to use this serum in those areas and not experience any sensitivity with them. Something else that I like about this line is that it combines ingredients that are good for clearing acne and also hyperpigmentation. I really just like all of these products together, but if I were to purchase these products individually, I do feel like that there would be some other serums that I would pick over this one just because I really didn't notice anything that special with it. It's not something that I wouldn't repurchase, but I do feel like I've seen some more effective results from, say, a liquid exfoliant or other serums that I've tried, but not to say it's a bad product. It's still a really great product. If you are looking for an affordable and effective yet very gentle serum, then I feel like this would be a good option. I just personally have other preferences on serums. Ultimately, I feel like this whole bundle couldn't live without each other, if that makes sense. I feel like they all work great together, but I do have to say the cleanser and the moisturizer both had things that stood out to me and made me more prone to buying both of those products, and this product was a good product. It just wasn't anything that special. So now I finally get to talk about my favorite product in this line. This is their water cream that also has salicylic acid in it. Like I said earlier, these products work so well together, and that is really impressive because usually salicylic acid products, if used too much, can cause some sensitivity, especially if salicylic acid is in every product in this line and I'm using them together. That could be a really dangerous combination. That was not the case whatsoever for any of these products. I feel like the salicylic acid was very gentle in it. This water cream is so amazingly designed. I cannot get over the amount of thought that was put into this product, in my opinion. This is a very moisturizing product just by itself. Even without the salicylic acid in it, it's just a great day and night moisturizer, and that's really good because sometimes water creams can not deliver enough hydration for me to use overnight and wake up not feeling dry, but this product did that. Like, I was able to use this product by itself and wake up and my skin felt amazing, and it also has salicylic acid in it. Like, that is really impressive. But my favorite part about this moisturizer is actually the green tint that it has. This is very smart with a product. I feel like that if you're going to design an acne line, it needs to have some sort of color correction in it. The green in this product really helped to make my skin look less red and also make my zits look less red. This line did bring out a lot of zits that I had underneath my skin. It did cause a little bit of purging, but it wasn't anything too crazy. This water cream was my favorite product because it just felt so amazing on the skin. It's very affordable. It's only $12, and this line is just wow. I am blown away by how amazing all three of these products are. I do kind of wish that e.l.f. released a spot treatment. That is something I would like to see from them in the future. Hi, so quick edit. There is a spot treatment to this line. I just looked on e.l.f.'s website and they have a spot gel that is $4. So it wasn't included in the bundle that I got, but it is a part of their line and it's $4. So I may be trying that in a future video. I would be really interested to see how that performs. The affordability of these products, along with how effective each of them are just really impressive. And like I said, the cleanser and the moisturizer of this line really blew me away. I cannot recommend this enough if you have acne prone skin. I feel like that everyone could use the serum and the moisturizer. If you do have drier skin, you may want just a little bit of a thicker moisturizer to go with this. The good thing about using a salicylic acid moisturizer is you can use it as a gentle treatment if you do have drier skin. I personally didn't experience any dryness, any sensitivity, anything weird with my skin, except my acne really cleared up fast with this. I did experience a little bit of purging, but nothing too crazy, and I just really enjoyed all three of these products. So I recommend trying all three of them. If you are a little bit nervous about trying out the products, they do have this bundle kit that I tried. I can easily say that these products would become products that I would keep on hand for when I am experiencing acne and when I just need a salicylic acid treatment. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.